What's the meaning of Charterhouse? Charterhouse. Charterhouse.
Charterhouse. Charterhouse. Charterhouse can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a private boarding school in England, a former monastery turned museum in London, or a type of financial institution. The Charterhouse in London has a rich history, dating back to the 14th century, and has served as a monastery, a Tudor mansion, and an almshouse. Today, it is open to the public as a museum and also offers tours of its stunning gardens. In finance, Charterhouse refers to a private equity firm based in London that specializes in buyouts, growth capital, and venture capital investments in Europe.